Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an Oppo Find X2 Pro with a broken camera glass at the back. So we're gonna replace it with a brand new one. So as you can see there, David has already sourced some parts for this Oppo Find X2 Pro, and he's gonna swap it out. So this is kind of the repairs that you imagined would be a very easy repair, but it's gonna be a tedious one because it's gonna involve a lot of glass shards. So first off, we're gonna remove the glass on this replacement back cover. Unfortunately, this one is a graphite black. It's dull, and the stock one on that smartphone is a shiny black, which is objectively more pleasing to hold and of course to look at. It's a stock one, so it's the original back cover. So the game plan here is to replace just the glass, remove it while it's on the smartphone. So behind this glass is the camera lenses for this Oppo smartphone. So David is just gonna chip off the glass bit by bit. So it's easy in terms of when you have the premise of the whole repair, it's easy to perform. However, when you do it in action, it's very tedious and slow. Most of the repair footage that we have is just David slowly chipping off the glass bit by bit. So if you're gonna do this on your own, if you just do this for fun, no, it's not for you, because the chances of the tiny glass shards going into your eye, flinging it over into your eyeballs is very high. David is already directing it out away from him so that when pieces of glass flies over to his face, he's already distanced away from the smartphone. So here the next hurdle is the adhesive underneath the glass. So that's gonna be another consideration. We're gonna clean off that old adhesives. We're gonna replace it with a brand new liquid glue, but it's gonna be very minimal, just the optimum amount. So without cleaning this, it's just gonna bulge out. It's not gonna look right. It's not gonna be fit on this slot for the glass. And also, if you do this wrong, and some debris will be trapped underneath the replacement glass, you will see that on every photo. And David here is testing all the camera modes just to make sure no dust are trapped on the lens. And now it's time for us to put our liquid glue on the sides where the old adhesives are located, and then press in this old glass. That's it. A very simple repair, but very tedious process. So if you have a problem with your camera glass, it's very trivial compared to your battery replacement and screen replacement, but this is still very essential because a smartphone that can't take good photos is kind of half useless at that point. So David is just gonna press it, and voila, all done. So thanks for joining, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or funny remarks, leave it down below, and we'll see you again next time. Here, David just wiping it off. Take care of yourself, guys. Till next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?